Artificial intelligence. Every day we hear that term. Every marketeer has added the term AI to their product pitch. But are these things really powered by AI? Or are they just using AI as a buzzword to make it feel like their products are more innovative than they really are? Before we can answer that question, let's first take a look at what AI really is. John McCarthy created the term in 1955 when he invited a group to meet at Dartmouth in New Hampshire to research computer automation, computer natural language usage, neuron networks, abstraction, the correlation between randomness and creativity, and how machines can self-improve. As the field has grown since then, the definition of AI has changed quite a bit. Professor Chris Hammond describes three current working definitions of AI. Weak AI, where we get machines to work. That is, learn to do something we want them to do without making them think the way humans think. Strong AI, where we get machines to think and reason in ways that are similar to how humans think and reason. And somewhere in between, where we use human reasoning as a prototype, but not as the end goal. Professor Hammond argues that in order for a system to be considered AI, it doesn't have to work in the same way we do. It just needs to be smart. British futurist Bernard Marr argues that the last point, use human reasoning as a model, but not necessarily the end goal, is the foundation for most current AI research. They use human reasoning as a guide to provide better services or create better products rather than trying to achieve a perfect replica of the human mind. This means that software doesn't necessarily require fancy computational capabilities to be considered AI. Expert systems and rules engines that follow decision trees and if-then statements fall into this category. But the part of human intelligence that intrigues most people and drives the more popular notion of AI is learning. Machines that can change themselves when they are exposed to more data. Machine learning is where the industry started and is usually focused on one dimension of learning. The key factor with machine learning is that there is a specific objective associated with that dimension. Deep learning is the next level with a broader focus, not just optimizing for more than one dimension of a problem, but learning through the interaction between dimensions. This requires massively more data and computational power. The term deep and deep learning comes from the study of neural networks, pattern recognition systems built to mimic the network of neurons in a human brain. The more neural networks that are nestled within each other, the deeper the system. Back to reality in our initial question. Is the buzz accurate? Are these everyday items that we interact with really built upon and powered by AI? Based on these definitions, that answer is a resounding yes. Let's take, for example, the voice recognition systems that power our homes today. When we say, Alexa, turn on the lights, we are going through a voice-to-text system that was and continues to be trained by machine learning. That text is sent to servers that use natural language processing built on neural networks to understand what you want to accomplish. These results are then passed through expert systems and decision trees to take action. Turn on a specific light that someone somewhere has defined. While we aren't yet talking about artificial general intelligence, where machines take over the world, but every day we are influenced by advances in artificial intelligence, and we will continue to benefit from continuing research into this exciting field.